Dokmoka at Potaro arong men women football knockout tournament angdung kiti pon. Niphai Gracie Perea Chiklo Arni. Mahamaya constituency kaparlo Dokmoka men women football knockout tournament angdung kiti pon. Women atum lake Hidibonglong FC Lapen KASA FC atum angbong pensi chephoponlo. Hidibonglong FC atum kethek parpik ajok 1 goal pensi chepahai ponlo. Best goalkeeper lake Monjuling leng PC chepalong pon. Lapen lapu mena na thua banke oveching thur Lapen obsidian FC atum angbong si chephoponlo. Lapen oveching thur atum kethek pika jok 1 goal pen chepahai ponlo. Alohi sarpo lake NKBAX Em Rupsing Taro, Dr.Asholie Chashe, Managing Director BCH TEZPUR, Mary Dongare Kajasono Mayashe, William Songate atum chitongdun si mesen pen women men football knockout tournament angdung kiti ponlong pamilo. Pulong ko mazipen Joy Kim Taro.
We are happy to organize this 5th autumn tournament, football tournament for men and ladies, and this is the 5th year running. And as we have been trying all these years, the idea behind this tournament is to bring the youth together, and so that they know each other, interact, and most importantly, we want to create awareness on substance abuse. And this year we have also included awareness on disability. As you know, substance abuse is a big challenge, is a big issue among the youth in every area, and so is the same in Hidibonglong. And so we, through this tournament, we want to create awareness that stay away from drugs, stay away from alcohol, stay away from tobacco, keep yourself healthy, get involved in sports, and stay healthy. Also, we would like to create awareness that there are people with disabilities among all of us in each society, and we want to make the public aware that they are like us. They also have emotions, they also have intellect, but because of certain physical challenges, sometimes they are not able to come in the open and interact with us. So we would like to create awareness and inclusiveness for people with disability also. And so we hope this tournament has created such awareness among our youth and the population as a whole. And we are very happy the tournament went successfully. And congratulations to all the teams who have taken part, especially the winners, both in the men's and the women's tournament. Thank you. So this is the 5th year running, and we are very happy with the response from the community. The teams are increasing, it's becoming more and more competitive. This year we saw the level of the sportsmen, the men, the ladies, the level has gone up. So we are very happy, and we hope to continue this in the coming year. And next year we hope that it will be even a better, more competitive tournament. And we are very encouraged that the youth, even through this tournament, they have been able to upgrade the skills, their abilities, and they have been, some of them have been chosen even for trials at the district level, the state level, and we hope that even our youth from this area can go up to the national and even international level.